check the torque specs on the steering column, please.
All green here, and the seating alignment is spot on.
The gauge reading here is exactly as specified in the schematic.
Confirmed. The weld integrity is sound.
The heart of every Bugatti begins with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque.
Every millimeter is measured to perfection before assembly begins.
The heart of the vehicle, the engine, begins its meticulous assembly. Every internal component is assembled with exact torque precision. The transmission system is engineered for smooth and efficient power delivery. The body and chassis unite, forming the complete structural base of the car. Interior components are installed, combining comfort with advanced technology. The engine is carefully mounted, aligning perfectly with drivetrain systems.
The legendary W16 engine is assembled piece by piece with surgical precision. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing before entering the vehicle.
The engine is carefully integrated into the chassis with exact alignment.
Advanced suspension and braking systems ensure ultimate control at extreme speeds.
Thousands of electrical connections are installed for flawless performance. Every interior is handcrafted using the finest materials in the world. Lightweight body panels are assembled with absolute precision. Multiple layers of paint create the iconic Bugatti finish. Every component is checked to ensure perfection without compromise. Performance testing guarantees unmatched power and stability. Each car is driven and tested to confirm real-world performance.
It's finally yours. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's absolutely perfect.